Live free or rant, that's the New Hampshire way. No BS, just truth coming every day. From the basement mic to your screen tonight. We're fighting for the red, white, and orange. Yeah!
Welcome back to Live Free or Rant, folks. Mike Donovan here, your no-nonsense Republican dad from southern New Hampshire. Sorry for the skip yesterday. Came down with a nasty bug, but I'm back and fired up. We're diving into the news with zero liberal spin, just hard facts and patriotic truth. Today, a massive win for gun rights as federal judges strike down California's open carry ban, pushing back against Democrat restrictions that trample our Second Amendment. This isn't just a court ruling. It's a reminder that the fight for freedom never stops. With Supreme Court arguments looming on similar issues, we're emphasizing why the Second Amendment protects us all. From home defense to family safety, let's break it down. The big news dropped late last week and carried over. On January 2nd, 2026, the Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals ruled that California's ban on openly carrying firearms in most populous counties is unconstitutional. The law, which hit counties with over 200,000 people, basically all the major ones like Los Angeles, San Francisco, San Diego, violated residents' Second Amendment right to keep and bear arms. The three-judge panel sided with gun owners who argued it was a de facto prohibition on carrying outside the home for self-defense. They cited the Supreme Court's 2022 Bruen decision. Gun laws must align with America's historical tradition of firearm regulation. No such tradition exists for blanket open carry bans in populated areas, the court said, law tossed. This challenge came from the California Rifle and Pistol Association and individual plaintiffs who said the ban left law-abiding citizens defenseless in public. The Ninth Circuit, often called the most liberal appeals court, agreed and sent it back to lower courts for re-evaluation under Bruen standards. California Attorney General Rob Bonta is reviewing options, almost certainly appealing to the full Ninth Circuit or directly to SCOTUS. Governor Gavin Newsom called it dangerous and reckless, which is typical liberal speak for "we hate armed free citizens." This is a huge pushback against years of Democrat restrictions. California's been the epicenter of gun control, assault weapon bans, magazine capacity limits, red flag laws, waiting periods, sensitive places bans, all designed to chip away at our rights. But since Bruen, courts are dismantling them. Bruen ruled may issue concealed carry permits, where bureaucrats decide if you have good cause. Unconstitutional. Must be shall issue based on objective criteria. No subjective judgment. That gutted laws in New York, New Jersey, Maryland, Hawaii. Millions more Americans carrying daily now. This new ruling extends it to open carry. A double win. Upcoming Supreme Court arguments make this even bigger. The 2025-26 term has several Second Amendment cases on deck. One major one, challenges to Hawaii's broad sensitive places, ban on carrying in parks, beaches, bars, banks. Arguments scheduled for February 2026. Plaintiffs say it's too sweeping, violating Bruen. Another, federal bans on gun possession for nonviolent felons or those with restraining orders, testing historical analogs. And if California appeals this open carry case, it could land at SCOTUS by summer, potentially nationalizing protections for both concealed and open carry. As a Christian dad in the Granite state, this hits home hard. New Hampshire's live, free or die. We have constitutional carry since 2017. No permit needed for concealed. Crime rates low, responsible citizens armed. I teach my girls gun safety early. Respect the tool that protects us. The Second Amendment isn't about hunting or target shooting. It's God-given self-defense against tyrants and criminals. Genesis shows evil exists from Cain onward. Luke 22:36. Jesus told disciples, "He who has no sword, let him sell his garment and buy one." In dangerous times, good men armed stop bad men. Liberal restrictions disarm law-abiding families, leaving us vulnerable. Criminals don't follow laws. Chicago's strict bans. Highest murder rate. FBI stats prove it. States with more carry permits have lower violent crime. Democrat cities defund police, release criminals, ban guns. Recipe for chaos. Trump's role, his SCOTUS picks, Gorsuch, Kavanaugh, Barrett, authored Bruen, his admin pushing reciprocity bills. With him back, ATF overreach reversed. More pro-2, judges confirmed. Critics claim more guns mean more violence. Debunked. Post-Bruen carry surge, no bloodbath, just safer citizens. Wrapping. This California win pushes back restrictions, reaffirms Second Amendment as core freedom. SCOTUS. Arguments ahead mean more victories coming. Stay armed, stay vigilant. Subscribe if you're pro-Second Amendment. Comment your carry story or why the Second Amendment matters to your family. Best gets shout out. Mike Donovan, Granite State. Live free or rant.